Welcome to Peru! Ang ganda, sobra. It's a sign, guys, this will be a very nice trip. Ayan na yung rainbow. Oh, diba? Ang ganda! Medyo umaambon siya. Meron akong jacket naman sa loob. Pero sana tumigil na kasi, guys, I wanna walk the street San Juan de Dios. So, binigyan tayo ng map so you can just request from there. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the Plaza de Reclisio. My camera is not working with me. Okay, so unahin natin to. So, this is your Plaza de Reclisio. Sobrang lapit lang sa hotel. It's just like, turn left paglabas mo. Uy, ganda. This is Casa de Gobierno. If you're going to see, alam mo yung parang very Fort Santiago yung vibe nila rin dito. Diba guys, tingnan mo naman yung streets. Later, bibili ako ng mosquito repellent just to be safe. So now this is the Plaza de Armas. Yung McDonald's nandyan lang oh. Eto yung shops, lahat na nandyan din kasi we have enough time. Lalakari lang natin to lahat. You have your fountain there, then you have churches around it as well. Marami dito nagpapatake ng photos. Nagsasabi na, oh, gusto mo bang i-take namin yung photo mo? Siyempre, bayaran mo yung mga tao na yun. May dalawang restaurant na rin-recommend sa akin, which is Morena, at saka yung isa is Mixtura. Kasi sabi ko, I want something local. Iikot lang ako ng buong street para matapos ko na lahat to. Yung Scotia Bank na yan, mas maganda mag-withdraw dyan. Reminder sa amin kanina, magdala daw ng cash. So, nag-withdraw na lang talaga ako ng cash to be safe. Guys, best friend ng solo travelers. And ito yung favorite ko talaga when you go out and travel. You just get lost in the city. Coro Virgen del Carmen to. Ang dami talaga mga churches here. Ito talaga yung main square. And back then daw, mas malaki pa daw tong square na to during the Inca time. Guys, ang ganda talaga. Can I just say, grabe! Oh my gosh. Sorry, alam mo, tagal ko na dito pero parang I'm still in awe. So guys, the reco rin kanina was to walk this whole street from there up until dulo doon. So parang lahat ng mga locations nandito daw talaga. Maraming tourists and you can see diba, daming tao rin pumupunta. So, takarin natin siya. Guys, kasha kotse. Pakitatanong nyo sa akin kung kasha kotse, kasha. Ito oh, Centro Artisanal. So I'm sure mga artisanal crafts sila here. And there's still more to go, dire-diretso. Like, ang ganda, ang liliit na mga streets na dito. But, sobrang safe, guys. Ito yung maganda dito, yung parang naglalakad ka. Sa bato-bato. Sobrang unique, nakakatuwa, sobra. So, may chocolate museum pa sila, oh. Tingnan mo, ito yung hill. Pa-up and down siya, parang Colombia lang. Up and down yung mga streets nila dito. Yan siya, galing tayo dyan sa baba. Trekking. So I think maraming sasabi why you should stay like one day first to acclimatize. Kasi ba, hihingaling ka. Pero, kaya. Just go slow. Yun lang naman importante. Plazoleta de San Blas. We're back at Plaza de Armas. Tapos ang sunny ngayon, ang ganda. Ibang level. Tingnan mo yung pictures now. Drugstore dito oh. Bibili na ako. Bibili ako ng insect repellent. Tapos meron sila dito. Parang extra durable. Apat 8 hours daw. So pito ko na lang to kasi to be safe, diba? Para sure tayo. So Calle Espinar na tayo dito guys. Tapos you still have all the other things here that you can see. And then you have Edificio Domingo Guevara Yanes. Calle Matas naman yung pag-ganon. So, ang dami talaga dito mga churches, guys. And you can also see a lot of different things. You have juices. You have more shops across that street. If gusto nyo, ano doon, oh, parang welcome gate. I think I'm butchering the words. So guys, this is yung St. Francis Square mo. Guys, I found the word arco kasi nakita ko na arc, tama. So sorry, I messed that out kanina. Pero ito na yun. St. Francis Square nyo guys is here. And then, arco mo is here. So guys, when you pass the arc, lalabas ka dito. Santa Clara tong street na to. And guys, dami na tao dito sa labas. Pero my God, palapit tayo ng palapit doon sa mountains. Baka hindi ko pa nakwento or nakwento ko in some other vlog. But why Peru? Why Machu Picchu? It's actually one of the reasons. When I was a kid, I remember a book na may Wonders of the World. Tapos lagi ko nakikita, may Machu Picchu. And I always wanted to go to Machu Picchu. And as we grew up, marami nagkakwento, di ba, na mahirap pumunta sa Machu Picchu. Hindi siya ganun kadali, ganyan-ganyan. Yeah, I'm actually very thankful to you guys na, syempre, susuportan nyo. I can go to places like this, na Machu Picchu, that not a lot of people, you know, na nasa bucket list nila. Or, paminsan lagi pinapangunahan tayo ng, ay, ang hirap pumunta doon. But, hopefully, this trip, I would compile something. Let me know kung gusto nyo malaman yon. And then, gawa tayo ng video na paano ba pumunta and all of those. I will try to come up with the expenses rin. Diba baka helpful rin para sa inyo yon. Templo de San Pedro na yan. And then guys, in front of it is your market. And then there's actually a hotel there, Hotel San Pedro. And the Hotel Cusco is there rin. Sikat na mga ganun, mga usual hotels yan. And just to share with you guys, natapos natin yan from number 4 to number 11, that whole line. Roughly, slow walk with videos, with pictures, nasa 1 hour siya. Natapos yan. And if ever pabalik, ito rin lang may road. That's the good thing na nagawa ko siya in the first day. Then now I can go to the smaller streets. And it's actually alas 5, 5 o'clock. So, pwede na ako maghanap maybe in 30 more minutes. Tapos yun na, mag-decide na ako to have dinner. Their market here, oh. May gusto yung mga hat na ganyan. Gusto ko bumili ng ganyan na hat. May mga caps pa sila dito and bracelets. Yung mga nakikita mga tao nagsusuot. Ay, tinatahi nila siya! Guys, ito yung mga binibenta nila. Mga hats, may mga parang silverworks, steelworks, mga bags. Oh, it's a sign, guys. This will be a very nice trip. Ayan na yung rainbow over the mountain. And then let's go back. Oh my God, look at the rainbow. Guys, yung makilala kita ng rainbow. Like really. Double rainbow pa siya. Took photos doon, guys. By the way, I love this jacket ko na to. Kasi pag umuulan, protected ka pa rin. And then, hindi siya kasing kapal ng puffer. Kasi ba yung pag-puffer, ang problema ko doon paminsan, masyado siyang makapal. Paano kung hindi ka naman sobrang linalamig, hindi mo pa kailangan ng puffer. Sobrang galing. Like, tapos ko na siya lahat. And then, tsaka lang siya umulan. Siyempre, thank you, Lord. So, sakto. Hindi lang ako nakabili ng hat ko, pero okay lang. May bangko dito ako nakita. Caja Cusco. I wanna check it out. Kasi baka maganda rin yung rates or maganda yung access fee. Kasi medyo mahal yung access fee eh. Guys, by this part, may Caja Cusco. Dito kayo mag-withdraw. 18 lang yung access fee. Yung isa 25, yung isa 36. Dito ang best. Alam nyo na guys, sa color red siya. Yung font niya yellow or paminsan puti siya, Caja Cusco, dito kayo mag-withdraw. Guys, tingnan nyo, buhos oh. Buhos talaga yung ulan ngayon. May shed naman na areas dito. Pag umulan guys, tulad sa gilid-gilid maglakad. Yung sa may mga bubong. Tapos, tama lang na may ganito ako. Waterproof. Uniqlo. Ito yung 4D guys. Hintayin yung mag-sale. Kasi ito yung dinadala ko sa Taiwan. Ito rin dinadala ko basta sa malalamig na lugar, basta umuulan. Pak, ito. So guys, napunta na ako sa lobby bar nila para magtrabaho. Iniintay ko pa yung reservation ko sa kabila. Let's get nugget. This is Inca Cola. Parang pineapple. I got chicken. And then kumuha ako ng sauce. Tawag nila Aji de la Casa. And favorite ko guys, chicken na walang fillet. Parang siyang salad na sauce. Ano siya? Parang siyang version nila ng Raising Cane's na sauce. Or Dave's Hot Chicken na sauce. Ganun. By the way guys, I gave in. Bumili ako ng isang hat. Diba? Para magawa ko yung Ann Curtis shot bukas. Para maladyosa tayo. And I think naman support local yun. Kasi diba, sila naman gumagawa niyan. Extra payment to guys ha. Guys, ito yung Morena na sabi nila masarap daw. Maganda naman pala restaurant nila guys. So I know why it's always full. So best tip here, make a reservation. Buenas noches. And then ganito yung itsura niyang bar niya. Nice! Very nice. Buenas noches! Ito yung mga menu niya. So they have their drinks, you have your cocktails. Ang rineko niya sa akin kanina was the ceviche barrio. May calamari ito. Then may special sauce nila yung leche de tigre. Bestseller din daw nila. Lomo classico with rice. Lomo morena is with quinoa daw. Yes. Eh hindi ako masyado ma-beef. Then okay rin daw ang pork belly. Or yung pinaka-famous nila is the cuy. Cuy is the guinea pig. Pero sabi niya wala namang ulo, walang anything. For main course, pwede ka rin mag-trout or the arroz con mariscos. Pero parang ito, parang paella. So they have bread, tapos yung butter daw nila is may mga spices, may mga herbs nila. So let's try! Then yung cocktail ko pala, guys, gagawin sa harapan ko. Bongga, diba? Pack. Ayan yung drinks natin, guys. And then look, Pukapukara is the title. Okay. They make it in front of you. Ang galing. It's so unique. As in, tingnan mo naman, di ba? Asukal. Pinya. May vermouth kanina. Passion fruit. Then na, they're doing the drinks. Parang masarap to. Nako. Perfect. Ayan. Kaya siya puka-puka kasi red talaga yung color ng drink mo. O, diba? Ang ganda. Love. Meticulous rin sila dito, guys. Oh. Ang cute. Tingnan mo yung orange na red, oh. Blood red orange sila. And sila they're gonna put the flowers pa. Gracias. Thank you. Ang sarap. Yung orange of passion fruit. Ang sarap. See, may calamari, maanghang daw yung spices. Okay, sabay-sabay lahat dumating yung food, guys. Nahilo na tayo. Parang ano nang uunahin natin? It's a mixture of a lot of different things in my life. Oh my gosh, ang crispy nitong corn, guys. And this is the ceviche, the fish, and then the yellow sauce nila. Guys, ang sarap talaga. Now you know why they say Peruvian food is good. Masarap talaga siya. Let's try their calamari. Sarap. Guys, ang sarap talaga. Okay. I'm so happy with it. Tapos may mga crunchy siya to add spice and different textures sa food mo. Guys, it's really good. Like, okay. Now I know bakit you have to wait, you have to book online to order, to reserve.
Cree en tu fuerza, paloma linda, el cielo te va a cuidar. Cuando no salga el sol, mi paloma, tu propia...
So you eat it with yung calamaris mo. Oh my gosh. Okay, kain muna ako. Lomo saltado morena. My very first authentic Peruvian dish. Pwede daw kainin yung flowers. Oh my gosh, yung potato nila, guys, sobrang crispy. As in. Guys, the beef doesn't look a lot naman eh. Kasi parang konti lang siya oh. Ganito na mga pieces niya ng beef. Akala ko kasi like steak levels. Yung sobrang daming steak, hindi naman pala. Mga cubed steak siya. Okay, I get why they say it's unique. There's a smokiness to it. I think it's how they cure their beef or the treatment that they place with their beef. Hindi siya like wagyu na melt in your mouth, ha? It has its bite, pero goes perfect with the quinoa.
No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas.
May something to it. Hindi ko lang siya ma-describe paano. Basta guys, masarap siya. Like, game for beef lovers. It's not too salty. And perfect siya with quinoa. At least hindi siya kanin, di ba? So guys, I finished dinner sa Morena. So the total bill was medyo pricey, nasa 170. So 170 is like Kasi naman, kumuha naman akong dalawang dish. Pwede ka naman mag-isang dish lang. And nag-cocktail ako, so the cocktail is expensive. Alam mo naman dito yung cocktail nila, medyo nasa 700 pesos per glass mo. Tomorrow I can try another different restaurants para I can let you guys know kung ano yung mas masarap pa or ano pa yung mga ibang options mo. Fairness, the park is so well lit at night. So, lakad-lakad muna. And then, balik na sa hotel.